Hello and welcome to this complete HoneyGain tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use the HoneyGain app to earn passive income by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. I'll guide you through the sign-up process, explain how the app works, and show you how much I earned after using it for 24 hours. This tutorial is beginner-friendly and easy to follow, even if you've never heard of HoneyGain before. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video, as I'll also share tips on how to maximize your earnings and explain how you can make even more money by referring your friends and family. Before we begin, here's a quick tip. If you use the link in the description below to sign up, you'll receive a $3 bonus added to your HoneyGain account balance as soon as you register. I'll show you proof of this in just a moment. Now, let's dive in and get started. The first step is signing up for a HoneyGain account. Start by clicking the link in the video description, which will take you to the official HoneyGain website. On the home page, you'll see a bright Get App button and a referral code next to it. Click on that and the app will be downloaded on your device. After downloading the installer, you have to install it on your device. After installing, you'll have the option to sign up with your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. If you're using an email, enter a valid email address, create a strong password, and check the box to agree to the terms and conditions and add the referral code when it gives you the option to add it. Once you've completed this step, log in to your HoneyGain account. Right after registration, you'll notice that $3 has been credited to your account as a welcome bonus. This bonus is only available if you signed up using the link in the description. Let me show you my account now to prove this. The app is available for multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, and Linux. To download the app, click the link in the description and it will take you to the HoneyGain website on any Deceive and click the Get App button. Select the version that matches your operating system. For this tutorial, I'll be downloading it on my Windows PC. Once the file is downloaded, open it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, which are straightforward and quick. After installation, open the app and log in with the email and password you used to register and add the referral code given in the link below. If you plan to use HoneyGain on a mobile device, you can also download the app using the link in the description. Just log in and add the referral code and the app will start running automatically. Now let's talk about how HoneyGain works. HoneyGain allows you to earn money by sharing your unused internet bandwidth, which is routed through its network for legitimate business purposes, such as market research, SEO monitoring, content delivery, and ad verification. Essentially, the app uses your internet connection to perform tasks for companies that require large-scale access to the internet for data collection and analysis. Importantly, HoneyGain ensures that your personal data, browsing history, and private information are never accessed or stored. The app is designed to operate securely, transparently, and with minimal impact on your device's performance, running quietly in the background as you go about your daily activities. When you log into HoneyGain, you'll see a clean and intuitive dashboard that provides all the key details at a glance. It displays your current balance, showing how much you've earned so far, the amount of internet traffic you've shared, and your daily earnings in credits. This transparency allows you to monitor your progress and understand how your earnings accumulate over time. The app rewards you with credits for every GB of shared bandwidth, with the exchange rate being 1 GB of traffic for 20 cents. This means that for every 10 GB of data shared, you earn $2. Your earnings depend on several factors, including your location, internet speed, and the demand for bandwidth in your region. Some areas have higher demand, particularly regions where businesses require more data for research and content delivery, which could lead to greater earning potential. In regions with low demand, earnings may be relatively modest. Similarly, faster and more reliable internet connections may result in better performance, allowing you to share more data and increase your earnings. The app also incorporates additional features such as referrals and bonuses, which can boost your income. By inviting friends to join HoneyGain, you earn a percentage of their earnings, making it a potentially lucrative option for those with a large network. In summary, HoneyGain provides a straightforward way to monetize your unused internet bandwidth without compromising your privacy or security. By understanding the factors that influence your earnings and maximizing your usage, you can optimize your experience and make the most out of this passive income opportunity. To give you a better idea of what to expect, I will use HoneyGain on my device for 24 hours and show you the results at the end of the video. Now, let's talk about how you can increase your earnings with HoneyGain. 1. Run HoneyGain on multiple devices. One of the simplest ways to maximize your earnings on HoneyGain is by running the app on multiple devices. However, HoneyGain has specific rules to prevent misuse. You can only connect one device per IP address. This means by connecting multiple devices to the same Wi-Fi or internet connection will not earn you a lot more money. To make the most of this feature, consider leveraging different internet connections. For example, if you have access to separate networks at home, work, or even at a friend's house, you can connect different devices to each of these networks. This significantly increases the amount of traffic you can share, which in turn boosts your earnings. If you're traveling or have access to mobile hotspots or public Wi-Fi networks, these could also be opportunities to connect additional devices. However, always prioritize secure networks to protect your privacy while using HoneyGain. 2. Stable and high-speed internet. The speed and stability of your internet connection directly impact how much traffic you can share through HoneyGain. A fast and reliable internet connection allows for higher data throughput, which translates into more earnings. If your internet is slow or unstable, it might limit the amount of bandwidth HoneyGain can use. To optimize your earnings, consider upgrading your internet speed or ensuring your connection remains consistent. Using wired connections via Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi can often improve stability and speed. Additionally, make sure there's minimal interference from other devices or applications consuming bandwidth, as this could affect your data sharing capacity. Remember, HoneyGain operates in the background and requires minimal attention, so keeping your internet connection running smoothly is key to earning passively. 3. HoneyGain offers a feature called content delivery, which is an excellent way to boost your earnings. This feature allows your bandwidth to be used for high-demand activities such as streaming services, media delivery, and similar tasks. Since these activities involve greater bandwidth usage, enabling content delivery can significantly increase your earnings compared to regular data sharing. However, it's important to note that content delivery is not available in all regions. If it's available in your area, make sure to enable it in the app settings. You can check the app for eligibility and turn on the feature if you qualify. Keep in mind that content delivery is entirely secure and your personal information remains protected while participating in this program. 4. Use the referral program. HoneyGain's referral program is a powerful tool for increasing your earnings. When someone signs up using your referral link, you earn a bonus equal to 5% of their payouts. For every $20 they earn, you'll receive $1 as a reward. The best part is that this bonus does not reduce their earnings in any way. It's simply an extra incentive for you. To get started, navigate to the Referrals section in your HoneyGain dashboard. Copy your unique referral link and share it with your friends, family, or even through social media platforms. The more people who sign up using your link, the higher your earnings potential. Over time, this can create a steady stream of passive income, especially if you introduce the app to individuals who frequently use it. By combining all these strategies, running HoneyGain on multiple devices, maintaining a stable and high-speed internet connection, enabling content delivery, and actively participating in the referral program, you can significantly boost your earnings and make the most out of this passive income platform. On average, HoneyGain users can earn anywhere between $30 to $50 per month, depending on their setup and level of activity. This range is determined by factors such as the number of devices running the app, the type of internet connection, and the amount of traffic shared. If you optimize your setup by running HoneyGain on multiple devices across different networks, you could potentially increase your earnings. Additionally, actively referring others to the platform through their referral program can significantly boost your income. Many users find that with consistent effort, they can surpass the average earning range. However, it's important to set realistic expectations. HoneyGain isn't designed to replace a full-time income or make you rich overnight. Instead, it's a passive income tool that supplements your existing earnings. Think of it as an effortless way to cover small expenses such as your internet bill, monthly subscriptions, or even your daily coffee habit. The beauty of HoneyGain lies in its simplicity and low effort. Once set up, it runs in the background without interfering with your daily activities. While it won't generate life-changing money, it's a convenient and reliable way to monetize unused internet bandwidth and make the most of your resources. When your HoneyGain balance reaches $20, you can request a payout. HoneyGain currently uses PayPal as their payment method. To set this up, go to the Payouts section in your dashboard and enter your PayPal email address. Once you request a withdrawal, payments are usually processed within a few business days. HoneyGain is known for its reliability when it comes to payments, so you can trust that you'll receive your money on time. A common question people have is whether HoneyGain is legit. The answer is yes. HoneyGain is a legitimate platform. It has been around for several years and has built a solid reputation within the online earning community. Thousands of users across the globe have successfully earned and withdrawn money through the platform, making it one of the most trusted passive income tools available. HoneyGain operates transparently and consistently pays out its users, which is why it has garnered a loyal following. That said, it's essential to follow HoneyGain's terms and conditions to avoid any issues. For example, using VPNs or proxies to artificially inflate your earnings is a violation of their rules. Engaging in such practices can lead to account suspension and, in some cases, permanent bans. To ensure a smooth experience and avoid potential issues, always adhere to the guidelines provided by HoneyGain. By doing so, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of the platform safely and without interruption. HoneyGain is a simple, safe, and effective way to earn passive income by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It's easy to set up, runs in the background, and requires no additional effort on your part. To maximize your earnings, remember to use multiple devices, refer others to join, and enable features like content delivery if available. With consistent use, you can earn a steady stream of extra income. Now let's see the results of using HoneyGain for 24 HRS on my device. As you can see, I earned around 1,200 credits in just one day, which translates to more than $1. While this may not seem like a huge amount, it's important to remember that HoneyGain is completely passive. You're earning money without doing any extra work, which makes it an effortless way to generate income. These small daily earnings might not feel significant at first, but over a week, a month, or even a year, they can add up to a considerable amount. Imagine having an extra income stream that requires no active effort on your part. Additionally, if you follow the tips and steps I mentioned earlier in the video, you can increase your daily earnings significantly. With some strategic actions, it's possible to boost your daily income to even higher levels. So, while it may start small, this passive income method has the potential to grow steadily over time, especially if you apply these simple but effective strategies. For your convenience, I've included a link to sign up for HoneyGain in the description below this video. Using this link will give you a $3 bonus when you register your account, so don't miss out on that opportunity.